This is an ABC Action News Tracking the Tropics update.
Brought to you by the Wise Company. You can't prevent certain events in life, but you can prepare for them.
How you doing, everybody? I'm Chief Meteorologist Denis Phillips. Here's the latest on the tropics. We've been showing you this map for a while, and very often in the month of October, while the overall number of storms that develop is down, we typically have to look in the Caribbean or the Gulf because that's where the water is the warmest, and there it is. Right on cue, what was yellow yesterday is now orange. There's a 40% chance over the next 5 days this actually becomes a depression or a storm. I think the way it plays out, it stays pretty disorganized until it makes it into the Gulf. If it does, then at that point, there's a window of opportunity. It could develop a little more. I don't look for this to be a significant issue. I mean, there is a chance it could become a storm and then probably start to accelerate, maybe even across the northern Gulf Coast in about 7 or 8 days. Thing is, with this kind of a system, usually they're not particularly healthy. They're not what we consider a classic tropical system. They're usually weighted off to the east where most of the rough weather is, and we're getting kind of ahead of ourselves, but that's the point of this, what we do here, to give you a little more in-depth coverage on the tropics. So again, bottom line, somewhere in the northern Gulf Coast, we'll have to keep our eyes on what could be developing over the next several days, but it is certainly not set in stone. We'll keep you up to date.
In 2017, the USA experienced record-breaking storms.